For the last decade, you've been fed a lie, a comforting, expensive lie. They told you, go to college, get a degree, and you'll have a good job. Then when that stopped working, they had a new promise: learn to code. Become a software engineer, they said. The demand is endless, 6 figures right out of a boot camp. It's 2026. Look around you. How's that working out? The truth is, the learn to code gold rush is over. The mine is empty and you're left holding the shovel. Today, we're debunking the greatest myth of our generation, the upskilling myth. We're going to talk about the hard, uncomfortable truth about white-collar obsolescence, and why the traditional advice for career success is not just useless, it's actively dangerous. Welcome to the era of the unemployable. Remember when knowing HTML was a superpower? You could build a website, and people thought you were a wizard. That was the first wave. Then came the boot camps. Everyone became a full-stack developer in 12 weeks. The market got flooded. Suddenly, being a junior developer wasn't special. It was the baseline. And then the real disruptor arrived: artificial intelligence. In 2023, AI could write a passable function. In 2026, it can architect entire systems. The tools we use today, the AI-assisted IDEs, the autonomous agents, they don't just help you code. They replace the need for a junior coder. Writing boilerplate code, debugging simple errors, translating between languages, that's all automated now. The coder is becoming the new factory worker, and the factory is about to become fully autonomous. If your skill is just translating human intent into machine syntax, you are obsolete. But wait, they say, you just need to upskill, learn the new thing. Learn prompt engineering, learn AI fine-tuning, learn quantum computing. It's a trap, a never-ending, exhausting trap. The pace of technological change has outstripped human ability to learn. By the time you finish that 6-month course on the latest framework, it's already being replaced. You're constantly chasing the horizon, and you're going into debt to do it. Boot camps and online platforms are profiting from your anxiety. They're selling you shovels for a gold rush that ended years ago. You're not upskilling. You're just paying to stay on the treadmill a little longer. And the worst part, you're learning skills, not foundations. You learn the how of a specific tool, but not the why of the underlying principles. When the tool changes, you're lost. This isn't just about coders. It's about everyone who sits at a desk for a living. The hollowing out of the middle class is coming for the white-collar world. Think about it. What does an average junior lawyer, accountant, or marketing analyst do? They process information, they find patterns, they generate reports, they create basic content. AI is already better, faster, and cheaper at all of those things. The mid-level professional, the one whose job is to manage the juniors and report to the seniors, that job is disappearing. We're entering the era of the super senior and the AI-augmented expert. One brilliant architect, armed with AI, can do the work of a 10-person team. One master marketer, using AI tools, can run a global campaign that used to require an entire agency. The pyramid is flattening. The bottom is being automated, the middle is being squeezed, and the top is becoming incredibly productive. If you're in that middle layer, if your value is based on being a good enough processor of information, you are in the blast zone. So is this it? Is it hopeless? Are we all destined for the scrap heap? No, but the old path is a dead end. You have to turn around. Stop trying to compete with machines on their own turf. You will lose. Instead, double down on what makes you human. Creativity, the ability to connect seemingly unrelated ideas to form something new. Complex problem solving, navigating ambiguity and uncertainty where there are no clear rules. Empathy and human connection, understanding people's needs, fears, and desires better than any algorithm ever could. The future doesn't belong to the person who can write the fastest code. It belongs to the person who knows what to build and why. It belongs to the person who can marshal AI as a tool to amplify their own unique human judgment. The learn to code era is over. The learn to be human era has just begun. This is going to be a painful transition. Many people will be left behind. Don't be one of them. Stop upskilling for the jobs of yesterday. Start preparing for the reality of tomorrow. If you want more hard truths about the future of work and how to survive it, subscribe to the channel. We're not here to comfort you with lies. We're here to arm you with the truth. Thanks for watching. And if you want to stay awake while the world sleepwalks into the future, hit subscribe.